This is your friend Ashish from Train with Ashish Janani, and today I have a very interesting topic for you. 3 ways of how you can go from being a poor freelancer to a rich freelancer. A lot of freelancers in any work, alright, they don't make a lot of money. But there's a way that you can become a rich freelancer, which means you don't need to have a big team. It can be only just you or one person with you, but you can make a lot of money. And here are 3 tips that you need to ensure you use if you are a freelancer and you're serious about making a lot of money. Number 1, scan your prospects and the clients that you will get on board as if you were to marry them. Okay? You don't do this. The first account that you get, you end up closing it. It does not work like that. Will you marry or will you date the first person that walks up to you and is interested in you? Not really. Are they committed? Are they serious? Do they respect you? Do they understand you? Do you both have an understanding? Scan your prospects as if you were to marry them, because you are marrying them with your time and your efforts. Number 2, alright, make sure you charge them triple. Now this theory sounds a little different, especially if you've not got a lot of clients, which is why the third theory will come into play. But guys, you miscalculate the amount of money you need to charge your client. You just calculate the amount of money you think you need right now, but you forget all the additional work that your customer will make you do. Charge them 3 times, which is one of the best ways to have less clients and make more money. And finally, be hot, right? You don't want to go and approach a lot of people. Be so hot that people want to come and approach you. Think of yourself being a hot guy or a hot girl, and people, girls and guys, want to approach you because of the way you look, the way you talk, the way you dress, your personality. In business, it is about your proposals, your work, your intelligence, your digital marketing, and what other customers are saying about you. You need to know how to sell yourself. You need to be hot, because if people come to you, you can pick your clients, you can charge them the money that you want, and scan them as if you were to marry them. Use these tricks and you will make a lot more money. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.